This is how to sign out of Hopper. So first, open the Hopper app on a mobile device and your home screen should look something like this. This is the part where most people get confused when they try to search for their profile, but there's a profile icon on the top right corner of the screen which is very small. So just tap on the top right corner of your screen and your profile should open like this. Then from here on the very bottom of the screen you'll see an option called sign out. So simply tap on it. Then it will say successfully signed out, and it is that easy. This is how you can sign out of Hopper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.